For most of us, taking on a new or used vehicle is a big decision, and it comes with risks which are often overlooked. According to the AA, on average, a car will lose around 60% of its value over 3 years. When we buy, finance or lease a vehicle, we know that its value is going to drop over time, and we expect a loss when we sell it. So what happens when your car is written off? You might be surprised to learn that if your vehicle is written off, your motor insurer's payout could be substantially lower than you originally paid for it. Or if you financed or leased your vehicle, it may not be enough to settle your debt. So whether you've paid cash or financed, you're likely to suffer a financial loss. Now, here's the thing, a write-off's not only a stressful and unexpected experience, it can also leave you out of pocket even if it wasn't your fault. The majority of write-offs are due to theft or accident, but could also be the result of flood, fire, or other accidental damage. And whilst you might be thinking it will never happen to you, statistics show that on average, over 384,000 vehicles are written off in the UK every year. And to put that into some perspective, that's one vehicle every 90 seconds. Now for the good news. There's an insurance policy that will protect your new or used vehicle against this type of risk called gap insurance. And there are different forms of gap insurance to suit all needs and all circumstances. So whether you paid for your car by cash or arrange some type of finance or lease, there's a policy available to help you with the losses or debt a write-off may cause. So the question is gap insurance worth it, and do you need it? Well, you might be a very careful and considerate driver, but accidents and theft are everyday occurrences, and try as you might, you simply can't avoid the intentions or accidents caused by others. The financial impact of a write-off can be significant. Just take a look at a genuine customer review on our website. This customer's gap insurance paid out £26,441 in addition to his motor insurance payout. £26,441. That was a huge relief to our customer and a big help towards the cost of his next car. And with cover from as little as 10 pence a day, you too can enjoy the complete peace of mind that gap insurance brings. And that's less than the cost of a daily newspaper. So to recap, gap insurance policies simply top up your motor insurance payout and help you financially when you need it most. Whether you're considering covering a new or used vehicle purchase with cash, finance, or via a lease, there's a gap insurance option to suit your circumstances. Now, if you're taking delivery of a new vehicle and assume you don't need gap insurance in the first year, you might want to think again, because gap insurance can only be purchased within a very limited number of days after taking delivery. Unlike other insurances you may be familiar with, gap insurance is not a cover that you can buy at any time. At Car to Cover, we've been specialising in gap insurance since 2007. Our team are friendly, knowledgeable, and really helpful. So if you're not sure about how gap insurance might be useful to you, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help you. We can save you a ton of money compared to your motor dealer, and the policies are likely to be better too. And if you're thinking about buying 2 or more policies for the same vehicle, we offer multi-policy discounts, so check out our latest offers on our website. And finally, you'll be really pleased to know that there's no high-pressure sales tactics from us, just simple, clear and honest information helping you to make an informed decision. Full terms and conditions are available on our website, car2cover.co.uk. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this information has helped, and don't forget to check out all our other helpful videos.